Hello, hello, hello. There are thousands of temples in India, but only a few where reaching the temple is as sacred as the temple itself. और पिछले कई दिनों में I've trekked over 100 kilometers and witnessed some of these beautiful temples. अब उन temples को witness करने के लिए I've trekked over 3000 meter altitude. But nature is beautifully surprising and there is a place sitting at just 3000 meter और इतने कम altitude में one can witness some of the highest mountains of Himalayas. Such an unfair advantage of geography is blessed to a beautiful village of Uttarakhand known as Ranchi. Some journeys begin with a destination, but this one began with a feeling. A feeling that somewhere beyond the noise, beyond the roads, beyond the deadlines, there was a place waiting in silence. But somewhere along the way, it becomes much more than that. There are some places जहाँ पहुँचने से पहले ही you know this journey is going to stay with you. And for me, that place was Madhya Maheshwar. I wanted to experience everything that came before it. सुबह की ठंडी हवा और एक एक्साइटमेंट की नेक्स्ट के 2 दिन याद रहने वाले हैं. And so we start the journey from the base village of this trek, Ranchi. The trail started easy. Green forests, bridges, flowing rivers और हर टर्न पे एक नया फ्रेम. बट जैसे जैसे एल्टीट्यूड बढ़ता गया, इट स्टार्टेड गेटिंग टफर. और शुरुआत से ही माउंटेन्स ने अपना चैलेंज दिखा दिया. रिसेंट लैंडस्लाइड्स की वजह से रोड अभी भी कंस्ट्रक्शन में थी और ट्रैक के स्टार्टिंग सेक्शन में ही प्रॉपर रोड भी नहीं था. कभी लूज रॉक्स, कभी ब्रोकन पाथ्स, हर स्टेप सोच समझ के रखना पड़ रहा था. Legs were giving up, breathing was heavier, but these mountains always gave me one more reason to keep walking. And that's the thing about the Himalayas, they don't just test your strength, they reward your patience. कभी एक वाटरफॉल, कभी डेंस फॉरेस्ट और फिर समझ आया, maybe that's why people keep coming back to the mountains. Not because it's easy, but because every step teaches you something. After hours of climbing, finally, Madhya Maheshwar. कैमरा उस फीलिंग को कभी कैप्चर ही नहीं कर सकता। उस वक्त रियलाइज हुआ, some places don't need words. You just stand there and let the silence do the talking. That evening the mountain looked peaceful, as if they were preparing us for what was coming next. The next morning, we started one last climb towards Buddha Madhyameshwar. It had rained through the night, the trail was wet, and the air felt colder. And what we saw next just changed everything. Right in front of us stood the mighty Chaukamba, not glowing in golden sunlight, but standing quietly behind the layers of drifting clouds. It wasn't the postcard view everyone hopes for. It was something even more real, raw, untouched. A reminder that mountains don't perform for us. They simply exist in their own time, in their own mood. And maybe that's what made this moment unforgettable.